SRC package. Yo, 𝐂-𝐏𝐚𝐜 over here, and this right here is Toyota Alphard Hybrid SRC package. Non-PHV unit, one owner only, and pristine condition. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this humongous, luxurious MPV. Condition of this car is absolutely superb, and it comes packed with features. Just look how shiny it is. You can see my whole reflection, my charm mirror like that. So let's go through. First things first, of course, we have a electric tailgate. As you can see, you have some room for your luggage over here. Of course, these seats behind, they can sit 3 people, and if you don't want them, you can keep either one side or both sides also can keep. All right, now let's close this. And behind, very comfortable captain's chairs. This thing can raise up for your legs to be comfortable. It's fully electric, of course, controlled over here. We have privacy curtains on second row and third row. We have 2 sets of sunroof. Both can be open, and the shade can be closed as well. And we have some controls here for your aircon, for your sunroof, and even for the color of the ambient light that you see on top. It also can be controlled through here. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Cabin is spacious, comfortable, luxurious, you name it, all these things can be said about Toyota Alphard. We have multifunctional leather steering wheel, very nice to hold. This part is wood, all this is leather, beautifully padded, beautifully stitched. Large infotainment screen for you. This is your gear selector. You have auto hold, you can switch to EV mode, economy mode, and perhaps one of my favorite features in this car is this. We have heated and ventilated seats. Well, heated seats might not be so useful in Singapore, but ventilated, well, I tell you, super shocked now. There is a cold wind blowing onto my back. Of course, both seats are fully electric. Driver's side comes with memory settings. Here also your controls for sunroof and the doors as well. Of course, this car, you want to be a 𝐂-𝐏𝐚𝐜 with the driver, you sit behind, very shocked. But to be frank, passenger seat is, the driver's seat is also very comfortable. Alright guys? Well, have another look. Also take a notice of condition of this car. As I told you, it is pristine. This car never do PHV before, one owner only. So you buy, you don't need to worry. Alright? Alright. Now in terms of COE, this car still got 8 years and 1 month left. A lot of time for you to enjoy this luxurious ride. In terms of depreciation, 26,000 plus. One of the lowest in the market. In fact, lowest one owner unit non-PHV that's in the market right now. So, you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.